Sheikh, there are parents that are incredibly strict in creating like an Islamic environment for their children. What do the parents do to ensure that they raise their child up correctly? Jazakallah khair.
Wajazakum. First of all, we have to acknowledge and agree that there is no one size that fits all. And no matter what you do and how hard you try, guidance is in the hands of Allah Azza wa Jal. Look at Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him. One of the first 5 strong-willed messengers, Ulul Azm. He, as described in the Quran, remained in his people giving da'wah for thousands of years, for 1,000 years minus 50, yani 950 years. 950 years giving da'wah. Yet when the flood took place, he called his son, come and embark and get with us on the ark. And he says, no, I will go to somewhere safe. He rejected his father's da'wah and died as a kafir. Now, no one could ever have the audacity to blame Nuh that he didn't do a good job. He was the best in his job. But guidance is in the hands of Allah. You do your level best. You do your due diligence. You pray. You make dua. But you never cross the parameters set to us by Allah in the Quran and the Sunnah. We never cross red lines. If we look a little bit the other way and our children take and seize the moment and do something haram, it's on them, not on us. We have to apply Sharia and we have to weigh the pros and cons of dealing with them by seeing, okay, should I be harsh in reprimanding? Would that pay off? Or should I pretend I did not see a thing and hope that this is a one in a lifetime chance? Or should I sit and communicate with them? Or should I investigate the alternatives that I'm giving to them? At the end of the day, our children are adults. They're old enough to make a choice. And they're accountable for their choices. My role is to guide, to discipline, to set the parameters according to what the Quran and Sunnah are. And at the end of the day, the guidance is in Allah's hands, and Allah knows best.